Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive into the wonders of healthy eating. Ever thought about the hidden power of a humble avocado? This little green fruit is more than just a trendy toast topping. Today I'm diving into 5 amazing benefits of eating avocados every day. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be rushing to the store to stock up on these green gems. Trust me, you'll want to make these green gems a staple in your diet. They are not only delicious, but also incredibly versatile. First up, let's talk about heart health. This is one area where avocados truly shine. Avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats. These are the good fats that your body needs to function properly. Now, don't let the word fat scare you. These fats are actually beneficial and essential for your health. These are the good fats that help reduce bad cholesterol levels. By lowering bad cholesterol, you can improve your overall heart health. By incorporating avocados into your daily meals, you can actually lower your risk of heart disease. Imagine that, a tasty way to keep your heart in top shape. That's a win for your ticker. Your heart will thank you for making avocados a regular part of your diet. Next, avocados are a powerhouse of nutrients. They are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that your body craves. One avocado is packed with vitamins K, E, C, and several B vitamins, including folate. These vitamins play crucial roles in maintaining your overall health, plus they're rich in potassium. Potassium is vital for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. In fact, they contain more potassium than bananas. This makes avocados an excellent choice for those looking to boost their potassium intake. This helps regulate blood pressure and keeps your body functioning smoothly. A well-regulated blood pressure is key to a healthy life. Who knew that a simple fruit could be such a nutrient dynamo? Now, onto digestion. Avocados can work wonders for your digestive system. If you're looking to improve your gut health, avocados are your go-to. They contain both soluble and insoluble fiber. They're high in fiber, which aids digestion and keeps things moving along nicely. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive tract. Fiber is also great for maintaining a healthy weight. It helps you feel full longer, reducing the urge to snack on unhealthy foods. So if you're on a fitness journey, avocados can be your best friend. They provide the energy and nutrients needed for an active lifestyle. Let's not forget about skin health. Avocados are a beauty secret that many swear by. The antioxidants and healthy fats in avocados can lead to glowing skin. They help combat the effects of aging and environmental damage. They help protect your skin from damage and keep it hydrated. Hydrated skin is healthy skin, and avocados can help you achieve that. Eating avocados daily can give you that natural, radiant look we all crave. Your skin will look and feel better with regular avocado consumption. Last but not least, avocados can boost your mood. They are a natural way to enhance your mental well-being. They contain folate and tryptophan, which are linked to the production of serotonin, the feel-good hormone. Serotonin is crucial for maintaining a positive mood. So if you're feeling a bit down, munching on some avocado might just lift your spirits. It's a delicious way to boost your mood naturally. So there you have it, folks. 5 compelling reasons to eat avocados every day. These benefits are too good to ignore. 5 compelling reasons to eat avocados every day. From heart health to radiant skin, this versatile fruit packs a punch. From heart health to radiant skin, this versatile fruit packs a punch. Incorporate avocados into your meals and see the difference for yourself. Give it a try and see how it transforms your health. You might be surprised at how much better you feel. Now, go grab an avocado and enjoy all those benefits. Your body will thank you for it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. See you next time. Stay healthy and happy.
Subscribe to Nourish Nest.